Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 1464, maximum product of two elements in an array. So it's a very easy problem to solve, in which we have to basically find out the maximum product which we can get out of all the elements from this array. Okay, and they have given this formula to basically calculate the product, in which what we are doing is we are just subtracting out one from both the numbers which we will be multiplying. Okay, so there are multiple approaches to solve this. For example, you can take product of each pair. For example, I will take product of 3 4 3 5 3 2 and so on and so forth, and then you can compare those with the results. Or you can find two largest element from the array and simply put those values in the formula and get the answer. So we'll be doing this only, like we'll be figuring out the two greatest elements from the array and doing the calculation. What we are going to do is we are going to use a max heap for implementing this, because that will be a more optimized approach to solve this question. Okay, so to explain you what we'll be doing, let's just go through this deck which I have prepared for you. So if you see, what is a max heap? So in max heap, basically, if we have given an array, okay, for example, 3452 is an array, okay. If I convert that into a max heap, the root node, this will be the root node, right? Root node will have the maximum element, like the element with the greatest value, okay. And both of the children nodes will have value smaller than the root node, and this principle will be followed throughout the max heap. Okay, and when we take out this value, okay, for example, if we take out 5 from this heap, right, then this tree will again be restructured, and this will become something like 4 2 3. Okay, so it's a self-balancing heap, basically self-balancing data structure instead, where you'll always get the greatest element at the root. Okay, so we're going to use max heap for this, and what we'll be doing is to, like, we wanted to get the top two greatest elements. So for that, we will just basically we'll just pop two elements from the heap. Okay, by doing so we'll get our max and second grade max element. Okay, so this will be a simple approach. Create a heap. Okay, create a heap from the array and pop two elements from the heap. That's it. This is what we will be doing. Okay, so I have already solved out this question for you guys. So what we are doing over here is, if you see, this is the way how we create a heap in Python. So I have taken an empty array and I am creating a heap from using that. And what we are doing, like by default, in Python we create a min heap. Okay, so that's why you'll see that I'll apply -1, like I'm multiplying -1 in the values while preparing the heap. So I'm just iterating all the elements from the array and putting that in a heap. Okay, so as I told you, like what we have to do, we'll just have to pop elements twice from that heap and we'll get the answer. So just to balance out the equation, because we have multiplied -1 over here, we are doing the same, which will basically negate the effect of this -1. We popped out an element from the heap, did -1, we got the original element, subtracted out 1 and did the same as per the formula. Okay, and you can just simply return this solution and this will work. So I have submitted the solution for, yeah, so if you see, all the test cases, like the basic test cases given, got accepted. Let's submit it for further evaluation. And if you see, the solution also got accepted, and I would say we have performed very well in all the submitted solutions. So yeah, this was this guide. Thanks again for watching out the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones.